Always a chance it's a walleye when it doesn't shoot up right away. Nice little fish. Let's release it. Another pretty one. Yesterday I caught a nice one on another lake amongst a bunch of pike using a grub, fishing it like a swim bait. Totally different today. Got a little crappie bait drop shotted, white. And it's funny, you just have to look around and trust your instincts. They're not going to be the same in every lake, and you have to adapt. So as I was saying, yesterday it was about finding clumps of weeds. And I haven't seen any weeds today. But I've seen many fish, that's for sure. Just gonna lay down a mark. If that's a walleye, it might be a little bit better. Just want to make sure I always get those waypoints named so I don't forget. I like adding the time of year as well. Find that helps because they're not necessarily going to be in the same place in August as they are in May. A little bit better. Not as good as the one yesterday, but nice fish. Nice fish. Well, battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna conserve the rest in case there's a bigger one. But man, a lot of walleye today.